Hello everyone, Jude here. Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. You guys are amazing. In this new video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a balloon Basset Hound. Just about everybody loves dog, and this droopy-eared breed is especially popular. Enough said, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started. So in this tutorial we need only 1 to 60 balloon and of course our balloon palm, right? So as usual, we're going to put this tip of the nozzle of the balloon on the tip of the balloon palm, like so. So before you palm, you're going to grab here to prevent this balloon to pop out, right, from this. Okay, so for this tutorial we're going to palm about 6 palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like so. Right, so we're going to release a bit of air, so we have a space to tie the balloon like this. So after that, we're going to squeeze the balloon like so to soften the balloon. Alright, okay, so I think that's enough. And then next, for the nose of the balloon Basset Hound, we're going to make about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble, and then we twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for the ear, we're going to make about 4 finger as well. Here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after that, we're going to match it. And then we twist it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to lock this. 1, 2. Like so. And then for the neck, we're going to make about 4 finger bubble as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. We twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for the leg, going to make about 4 finger bubble as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna lock this. 1, 2. Alright, so for the body of the balloon Basset Hound, we're going to make about 4 finger bubble, then twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then for the leg, we're going to make about 4 finger bubble as well. And the last part, we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 6 here. We match it here, and then we lock this. So basically, it become a balloon dog. So to turn it to become a balloon Basset Hound, so this is the most important part here. We're going to turn his ear, so this ear is going to point down like that. Okay, one more time. From here, okay, from here, and to turn this ear, this is pointing down like this. We're going to grab it here, and then this one here, we're going to push it slightly down, slowly like that. Okay, that this part here, we're going to push it down like that. Alright, so that's about it. Our balloon Basset Hound has completed. There's a bonus for this tutorial. So if you want to make it to become the sausage dog, this is the bonus. You just adjust the length of this here. So this one, you have to try to do it. Before I go, how many times have you seen this balloon dog in your video? Please give your answer at the comment box down below. Bye!